Welcome back to Guitar Basics, and in this video we're going to learn how to figure out every note on the fretboard using the 12-tone system. After this video you should be able to name any fret if given a little time to reason it out. When Ugg the Caveman discovered the scale, he didn't make it up, he didn't invent this scale. It was there waiting for him. It turns out that on planet Earth there's a system of pleasing tones that divide the octave into 12 notes, but unfortunately it's not symmetrical. There are two places where there is no accidental in that chromatic scale, those 12 tones. So let's learn where those places are, and we're going to start with the 7 letters of the musical alphabet. So we need to be able to say A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Say it. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. All right. If I did 2 octaves of white notes starting on A, it would be A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. That's the order in which they come. So now it's time to learn where the accidentals go. Now I'm going to put up a picture of a keyboard. So here's the picture of a keyboard. Notice the pattern of black notes. They come in groups of 2, then 3, and then 2, and then 3. Let's put letters onto those keys so you can see where the letters are. And now you can see that there are black notes between some of the letters, but there's no black note between B and C, and there's no black note between E and F. And this can be confusing, because if you were to say E sharp, you might think it was a black note, but it turns out there's no black note there to play. So again, between B and C and E and F, there's no black note. Let's look at it as just letters, and we'll add an X where the black notes would be. And we're going to start on A to keep it simple. So you can see A, and then there's a black note. And there's B. Then there is no black note. Okay? Then you see C. There's a black note. D, black note. E, no black note. F, black note. G, black note. A, and it repeats endlessly. So this is what we have to memorize to learn how to play a chromatic scale on any instrument. Now on guitar, it looks like this. Here's a string of notes which, if we can remember our open strings, we can figure out every note on the fretboard. The 6th string is E, the 5th string is A. I'm going to start on A. And again, I remember that there's no black note between B and C, and no black note between E and F. So A is open. That's a black note. We're not going to worry about the name yet. That's B. There is no black note next, so we know that the 3rd fret is C. Black note. D. Black note. E. F. Black note. G. Black note. And then we're back to A. When you get to the 12th fret, you're back to the letter you started on with the open string. So if I said, here's an E, 12th fret will also be E. Here's an A, the 5th string. 12 frets up, A. So the 12th fret is always up an octave from the open string that you started on. In the next video, we'll show you how to start naming these notes.